Hey, you guys, welcome back. As you can see, we are surrounded by flora. It is the season of decoration, and I'm excited to learn a little bit this morning from our friend Sophy Kohler. Good morning. How are you?
Hi, Terry. Thanks for having me.
Nice to see you. How are things at Park City Nursery?
Things are great. We have some busy elves over there getting ready for the holidays, making garlands and wreaths, getting all of Park City's Christmas trees. We're ready.
Tell me a little bit about, as I watch you put this beautiful set of decorations together, I think of, you know, in the old days, so to speak, or when we were younger and things were more gaudy as Christmas decorations, right? You laugh. Like,
Tinsel.
Right? Yes, exactly, exactly. And I have to say, as I was watching you set up, this is just, I mean, it feels just as festive to me, but so much more natural, so much more.
Right. I think part of it is, so today, really, the day after Thanksgiving is a tradition for lots of people in Park City to start decorating, not just for the holidays, but really for winter. We're a winter town. So we start now and we keep it up for as long as we can, right?
Absolutely.
And Mother Nature is abiding by giving us some snow.
Lovely.
So it's just the finishing touch to what we already love and enjoy and is so beautiful around us. So yeah, I can talk about some of the things I brought in. Some things are for inside, some things can go inside and outside. I'll just start right here. This is a little lemon cypress. It would be an indoor plant. It actually, can you smell the lemon?
Yeah, it's just fantastic.
It's just a nice little green touch, and it's this really cute, manageable size that you can intermix into a table setting. So some of the pieces I brought today are for tablescapes or mantelscapes, which people love to set up over the holidays.
Very cool.
Your bread and butter for setting up a tablescape, a mantelscape, an entryway is going to be your garland. At the Park City Nursery, we make this thick custom garland out of a mix of evergreens.
Nice.
And then I want you to feel this. This is a digger cone. We have so many different kinds of pine cones.
Wow.
And it's just an easy, simple, natural touch to anything and can also add interest. So this is the biggest cone that we carry. It comes from Oregon, but we've got tons more.
Fantastic.
Some ideas that you can do for the holidays is just to take a basic lantern or bird cage and fill it with things that are natural or beautiful, or you can never have a shortage of lights over the holidays. So we'll put those little strings of fairy lights inside. In this lantern, I don't know if you can get close enough, but again, we have the pine cone, we have some mossy and lichen covered sticks and bark, and then we have some really cool different air plants or tillandsia in here.
Yeah, and if I can, I'm gonna pick this up just so that folks can see. Those air plants are really cool, really beautiful. And the design of putting these things together, as you were saying, you have fun designing these things and putting them together. And as somebody who has an only narrowly defined creative sense, for me to look at this and say, wow, how did you do that? That's really cool.
Well, if you
just
come
a flow,
by,
huh?
It's just a flow. We have all the material if you wanted to piece something together yourself, and a lot of people have fun doing that. Or you can come and just say, just make me one of those, and we can do that too.
Very cool. We have some things in front. I'm sorry, go ahead if you've got more while we're back here.
I was just going to add that with an air plant, they're very easy to care for, so you can totally place them in on Christmas trees, on candelabras, and they will survive the duration of the holidays with just a little bit of misting.
And just a fantastic look. They're so beautiful and have
sculptural
essence. Yeah, sculptural. Well said, well said.
Great. So
what else have we got? Let's do. Let's see what's in front.
So I would be remiss to come here without offering the classic wreath, and this is really what the Park City Nursery is known for. We make these wreaths in-house. They can be as decadent or as simple as you like. This one spoke to me with just the buffalo plaid. How can you go wrong with something so classic?
No doubt. It's beautiful. And again, the thing I look at this and I say, it's so natural looking. It really adds something that's not gaudy. It's not sort of old schooly. I hadn't noticed until you mentioned it, but the different types of
greenery
in the wreath and in the garland here.
There's at least 6.
Wow, that's crazy.
To offer the different colors and textures. Also, another classic is going to be your poinsettia. We have a number of different sizes. They're locally grown here and in a greenhouse, of course. And yeah, we just get them delivered for the holidays. So come get yours now before they sell out.
I love this piece so much.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, this was another just piece we had fun with. You could put it on a table or a mantle. And here's just a little taste of the Christmas tree offering we have. We have a big variety of Christmas trees, from 15 or 20-foot alpines to little tabletops like this. So this is a noble fir. It has that nice, full, classic shape.
Really
and
beautiful.
We just decorate it with some fun pom-poms and garlands. These happen to be from South America, little wool pom-poms.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is the right kind of bright and colorful, for sure. Lovely.
And then over here we had fun making a few modern custom wreaths. So this one's done on a grapevine, and we just added some buffalo grass, pampas grass, some pheasant feathers, juniper cedar.
The feathers are great.
I don't know if people can see this hoop wreath.
Nicely done.
Also, just a delicate touch. It could go in your entryway, over a mantle, any room really. All of these wreaths are good for indoor or outdoor.
Fantastic.
Yeah, and I guess I just have one more fun thing. Sometimes we like to go a little all out for the holidays, and we like to hang things up from over our tables. Here's a classic kissing ball. People like to hang these in their entryways.
Very cool.
Yeah. And this was just a custom piece that we put together. Like I said, you can never have too many lights for the holidays.
The lights are great.
And this could go in your entryway, over your table. We've got grapevine again. We've got moss, cedar, and juniper. And these fun lights. Just so simple, but adds a lot of festivity.
Really beautiful. And I'm guessing that if people haven't been to the Park City Nursery before, they're wanting ideas that when they come and see things like this, rather than try to DIY it, I'm sure that they say, well, I think I'm going to let Park City Nursery take care of the decorations for me.
Either way, yeah, it's definitely fun. We have customers that come back year after year, and we know exactly what they want. And then we have customers that come in and say, a little of this, a little of that, or take something that we've already created.
It must be a great part of your day to be able to be creative and design new things. I mean, this wreath here in particular, I just absolutely love that.
You love?
Really, I really do. And again, it's natural, and that just that feel is so fantastic. Tell folks where they can find out more information online. I'm sure that you probably have a cool Instagram account.
We do. You can just follow us at Park City Nursery. We're parkcitynursery.com online. We're located at 4459 Highway 224. Starting in December, we're going to be open from 9 to 9 and then 9 to 7 on Sundays. So come on by. We're having a lot of fun over there. And even if you don't feel like getting anything and you just want a little cheer and a little spirit, come walk around. We have a fun event on December 8th. We're second annual live manger, where we're bringing in animals, camels, donkeys. So even if you just want to take some fun pictures, we'd love to have you.
Fantastic. Sophie, it's so good to see you. Thank you for the work that you do, making Park City an even more beautiful place. I just love your design sensibility, and we sure appreciate you being here this morning. Thank you so much. All right, you guys, if that's not inspiration for holiday decorations, I don't know what is. Absolutely beautiful stuff, natural and very, very current. We're going to take a break. Make sure to go check out Park City Nursery, whether it's online or in person, out on 224. Say hello to Sophie. Thank her for making this a more beautiful place. We'll be right back. Katie Wang from the Park City Film Series after this.